Hi, I'm Kristin Stampini with StampTV, and today I'll be sharing with you tips from our 9 systems to get your home sold fast and for top dollar. Selling your home is one of the most important steps in your life. Our 9-step system will give you the tools you need to maximize your profits, maintain control, and reduce the stress that comes with the home selling process. Let's get started. First step, know you're selling and keep it to yourself. Don't tell everybody about it. You know, the reasons behind your decision to sell affect everything from setting a price to deciding how much time and money to invest in getting your home ready for sale. So, what's more important to you? The money you walk away with, the length of time your property is on the market, or both? So, different goals will dictate different strategies. And however, don't reveal your motivation to anyone else, for they may use it against you at the negotiating table. So buyers will do that. So when asked, simply say that your housing needs has changed. Second step, do your homework before setting a price. So settling on an offering price shouldn't be done lightly. Once you've set your price, you've told buyers the absolute maximum they have to pay for your home, but pricing it too high is as dangerous as pricing it too low. So remember that the average buyer is looking at about 15 to 20 homes at the same time they are considering your home. This means that they have a basis of comparison, and if your home doesn't compare favorably with others in that same price range that you've set, you won't be taken seriously by prospects or even by agents. As a result, your home will sit on the market for a long time, and knowing this, new buyers on the market will think that there might be something wrong with your home because it has been on the market for so long. So it's tricky on that. And third step, do your homework. In reality, your agent should do this for you. So find out what the homes in your own and similar neighborhoods have sold for in the past 6 to 12 months, and research what current homes are listed for, and if they're under contract, how long they were on the market for and for what price. So there's a lot of different things that need to be looked at strategy-wise. And fourth step, find a good real estate agent to represent your needs. Nearly 3/4 of homeowners claim that they wouldn't use the same realtor who actually sold them their last home. Dissatisfaction boils down to, a lot of the time, poor or no communication, which results in not enough feedback, lowering pricing, strained relationships. And the fifth step, maximize your home sales potential. Each year, corporate North America spends billions on product, and packaging design appearance is critical. And it would be foolish to ignore this when actually selling your home as well. You may not be able to change your home's location or floor plan, but you can do a lot to improve its appearance. If you want top dollar, you're gonna need to do that. You know, the look and feel of your home generate a greater emotional response than any other factor. So before showings, make sure it's clean, like you've never cleaned before. Pick up, straighten up, declutter, dust, fix everything. No matter how insignificant it may appear, present your home to get a wow factor response from your prospective buyers. That will give you top dollar. You know, allow the buyers to imagine themselves in your living room of your home. The decision to buy a home is based on emotion, usually, not logic, unless it's an investor. So prospective buyers want to try your home just like they would a new suit, or actually new clothes. So if you follow them around pointing out improvements, or if your decor is so different and it's difficult for a buyer to strip it away in his or own mind, you make it difficult for them to feel comfortable enough to actually imagine themselves as owning your home. Sixth step, make it easy for prospects to get information on your home and actually to look at your home. You may be surprised to know that some marketing tools the most agents use to sell homes, example is traditional open houses, are actually not very effective. In fact, only 1% of homes are sold actually through an open house. Furthermore, the prospects calling for information on your home value their time as much as you do. You know, the last thing they want to be subjected to is either a game of telephone tag with an agent or an unwanted sales pitch. You know, make sure the ads you're placing for your home are attached to a 24-hour pre-recorded hotline with a specific ID number for your home, which gives buyers access to detailed information about your property day and night, 7 days a week, without having to talk to anyone. You know, it's been proven that 3 times as many buyers call for information on your home under this system. So there's all sorts of different marketing systems that your agent should be doing. And remember, the more buyers you have competing for your home, the better it is, because it's set up like an auction atmosphere that puts you in the driver's seat and drives a lot of multiple offers. Next, know your buyer. You know, in the negotiation process, your objective is to control the pace and set the duration. What it is that the buyer's motivation. Does he or she need to move quickly? Does he or she have enough money to pay your asking price? Knowing this information gives you the upper hand in the negotiation process, because you know how far you can push to get what you want. So that's very important. So next step, make sure the contract is complete for your part as a seller. Make sure that you disclose everything you know. Smart sellers proactively go above and beyond legal requirements to disclose all known defects to their buyers in writing. You know, if the buyer knows about a problem, he or she can't come, if they don't know, they can come with a lawsuit later if something comes up, and you don't ever want to get yourself in that situation. Make sure all terms, costs, and responsibilities are spelled out in the contract of the sale, and resist the temptation for anybody in the contract. For example, if the buyer requests a move-in prior to closing, just say no. Now is not the time to take any chances of the deal falling through. Okay, don't have them move in. Don't move out before you sell your home. You know, studies have shown that it is more difficult to sell your home at the highest price if the home is vacant, because it looks, okay, like, you know, people can't picture themselves in it. And also they think, okay, well, they need to sell it faster and for less money. So if you move, you're also telling the buyers that you have a new home and are probably highly motivated to sell that home that's empty. This, of course, will give them the advantage at the negotiating table. So if you can, try to stay in it. If you would like this full report that I just talked about and many more things in it, reach out to us through the information provided below. I hope you will be able to use these steps to be more systematic in getting your home sold fast and for top dollar. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. You can also leave a message below and subscribe to our channel. You can also hit the bell icon to get notified for weekly videos. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.